Infinity and you already know.
Hi everyone! Now every day, many amazing things take place, many of which we won't ever hear about. These are situations in which by chance it is possible to set records or do something surprising that nobody has ever dared to do, demonstrating that the impossible is sometimes possible. So stick around, because by the end of the video, you won't help but ask, how did they do it? Let's get it on! Number 8. Longest slackline. We've all seen shocking world records before. However, this one definitely takes the cake. It's the world record for the longest solo slackline, and it was done with absolutely no harness or safety equipment. He shattered the previous record by 7 meters, and all this was done at a total of 290 meters above ground. Number 7. Bike jump. Here's Robbie Madison, who showed that the impossible is possible. In 2008, he completed the world's highest motorbike jump, which consisted of him dropping himself and his bike off 50 feet onto a waiting ramp. Well, what can we say? He seems to exceed all human capabilities. Number 6. Basketball shot. It's a fact that some people have incredible dexterity when it comes to completing difficult tasks, and these guys are the perfect example. They attempted to shoot a basketball from a height of 162 meters with the hopes of it landing in the basket. Although you may be wondering how that's physically possible, they're about to put all your questions to rest.
Infinity and you already know.
Number 5. Deadliest wingsuit. Wingsuiting is something many stay far away from. However, some people can't but help the feeling of intense adrenaline and danger. It's one of the most complicated tricks in this sport, and of course, it's a very dangerous one, as it consisted of him flying through a very narrow hole while gliding at very rapid speeds. Number 4. Highest snowboard jump. The highest jump in the history of snowboarding was reached by the Swiss athlete Christian Haller. He was able to reach an unbelievable height of 11.3 meters. And he did it in the most incredible way possible. Although he perfected the jump, we can't help but wonder what was going through his head while being so high up in the air. Number 3. Space freefall. Jumping out of a plane a few thousand meters up in the air to some may seem crazy. However, jumping from the edge of space about 39,000 feet above ground is just unheard of. This took place a couple of years back, and during this freefall, the Daredevil was able to reach speeds of 843.6 miles per hour, all while falling down to Earth, which in total took 4 minutes and 20 seconds of airtime and adrenaline. Number 2. Blindfolded blitz. Some end up in the Guinness Book of World Records after years of constant practice and training. But some people, some people take things a step further and do some absolutely unimaginable things. Like for example, these two brothers that set out to break a potentially painful record for the most coconuts smashed around a person while blindfolded. Sounds like a death wish, doesn't it? Well, pay very close attention. Number 1. Double plane jump. Normally, flights with parachutes aren't for the faint of heart. However, this guy decided to do more than just a jump. It's one of the most bizarre and treacherous stunts ever done, and it consisted of a very brave skydiver jumping from one plane to another, all whilst being 2,100 meters above ground. He essentially went out of the cockpit, walked on the wing, and then just seconds later, he transitioned from one plane to another with nothing more than his nerves of steel. Now, if you like these kind of videos and want to see more, then make sure to leave us a like on the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to be the first to watch all our new and exciting videos. Every first comment will be getting pinned, so good luck!